welcome back to my channel. And from the title below, you would already know that this is part 2 for the last video that I posted. So please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment, and share. If you haven't yet watched part 1, please go ahead and watch part 1 and do the same by giving it a thumbs up, comment, and sharing that video as well. If you're new here or if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn your post notifications on by clicking the bell and setting it to all so you will not miss out on other videos. Thank you guys for being such loyal supporters, and I hope you enjoy this video as well. Okay guys, so this is a long journey. This reminds me of when I was going to Falling Edge waterfalls. So I am now at Reggae Falls. We haven't reached the falls as yet, but this is where it's at. That's the river behind me, and I have a little hiking to do, which, you know, I like my hiking, and I have on my hiking shoes today. So no complaints, and I'm staying safe at the same time. Do you guys like my fashionable disposable mask? I hope this was worth the wait, because I've never been here before. This is my first time. So I hope I'll enjoy it. And I hope you guys will enjoy it and want to come here after this video. Nothing much is going on. There's a little bamboo hut right here. But as you know, with the whole COVID, a lot of things have been put on pause. So there's not much of anything going on. I don't see anyone here, so maybe it's just, oh, that's a lie, I'm seeing people now. Not much, but just a few persons. Ooh, I'm in my element. I see water. I see water. Oh, my happy dance. I see water. Oh yeah, I see water. Oh my God, guys, the water is so clear. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. I know my beautiful Escape family is gonna love this. If you have been here before, comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think. If you would come back here, if you would recommend it to other people. Tell me what your experience was like if you have ever been here. This is my first time visiting here. That's the river behind me. I need somewhere to change. Sure. It's because it's not too deep. Let me take off my sneaker. Wait. I'm taking them with me.
Oh. Ah, these rocks are hot. Ah, the water is cold. Ah. I'm crossing the river. I see some guys somersaulting in the water. I don't want to get my dress wet. Behind me there is this sign that says wet wave. My dress got wet. I see a little shed that I can change behind in my swimwear. Guys, I'm going to change and then I'm gonna come back on here. So I changed already and I am ready to rumble. I have to go back in the water. Huh? Whoa. These stones are... Look at the fishes. Ooh, there's a school of fish right here. I should have brought my GoPro with me. Look how clear the water is. Where? Oh, I can see little parts of the falls. Woo. Today's my lucky day. Oh, yes. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah. Welcome to Reggae Falls, guys. Woo! I'm so in my element. Should be able to. All about Reggae Falls. Oh shit. Now hopefully I can walk through this. You go first and I'll see how deep it is. Because I'm not on the taller side. You go first, let me see. Oh, I think I'll be able to manage. Nobody can cross it. Nobody can cross it. This part is a little bit deep. Oh shit. Whew. Okay, I think I'll be able to survive. I'll survive. My bag is getting wet. Uh-oh. Crap. Shit. Sorry for the expletives, but oh my goodness. Okay, this rock is going to be my best friend. You're my best friend today, okay? Oh, yes. I made it. These are all the beautiful places and natural resources that we have here on this little island. This is why I love nature so much. Okay, do you see all of that? Look at that. Like, seriously. Guys, if you haven't been to Reggae Falls before, you should. Because this, on camera, it will not do it any justice. Like, in person, this is the place to be. Trust me. Whew. Look at the view. I can't dance. My friend decided to leave me. I don't know why. And it's my first time here. So I'm trotting this alone. And I think I took the wrong way. Let's see if I can cross it. Yes, I can cross it. Lord, I'm still a bit of a distance. So I'm trying to give you guys a close-up, the close-up, all exclusive, you know. Let me flip this camera so you guys see the full view. I wish I could give you guys a panorama right now. Hold on. screen is fogged up. Hold on. Whew. Can you open that for me, please? Thank you. Guys, my phone is not waterproof, so I'm going to take a little swim, and then I'm gonna try and give you guys some more clips, and then I'm gonna close out this vlog because I don't want my phone to get damaged. But look at this. Okay, so I'm going to ask my friend here about Reggae Falls. You don't have no history? Okay, how many times have you been here?
About 5 times.
5 times? So what's your experience like? Like, if you wanted someone to come here, what would be like the best attraction or the best thing about Reggae Falls?
The thing about Reggae Falls, it is free and you can cook. As you see, place out there, you can cook here, can carry out stuff, and everything is enjoyable.
The falls itself. This is my first time coming here, and I must say, well, it's free for it's really free. And most attraction places in Jamaica is not free, so that's a plus. And who doesn't like something good that is free, right? So, and then, you know me, I love water, but this right here, this beauty behind me, I wish I could go under it, but I don't know how that's gonna work out for me. And I didn't bring my GoPro, so even if I go under it, you guys will not be able to see it. But, yeah, you gonna be there? Alright. So maybe you guys will get to see me go under that big ass thing right there. But all this is just amazing to me. Like, words can't explain right now how happy I am. And especially coming off of work, and trust me, work has been hectic. I've been tired. I've been extremely exhausted. Exhausted is an understatement right now. So to get this little away time in nature and relax, this peace and tranquility, it's just everything for me right now. So I had to pull my hair out, guys, because the water was beating like, ugh. It's crazy. Okay guys, so this was so much fun. I'm about to close this vlog out, but I want to say thanks to everyone that's been supporting Beautiful Escape. XOXO, thank you guys so much. For all my newcomers, again, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is the end of the vlog, so give it a thumbs up if you like Reggae Falls. Comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think about this video. Before I end it though, I'm going to do a little challenge with my friend to see who can stay the longest underwater, who can hold their breath the longest underwater. So, you know, it's Team Beautiful Escape right here. I know everybody's gonna be rooting for me, and we have a loser right there. So yeah guys, so I am so glad that I came here. It was so beautiful, trust me. It's been amazing. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair when I get home. Yeah, but back to the vlog. So we're gonna do this little challenge and I'm gonna end the vlog and head home. Thank you guys so much. Remember to follow me on Instagram, beautiful_escape XOXO, and follow my business page as well on Instagram and Facebook, Bold Attires. Check out all my products. Support me by even telling a friend to tell a friend. You know how it goes. Thank you guys. I love you all so much. I'll post a little challenge right here so you guys can see that yes, I'm a born natural winner. Okay. Love you guys. Bye. I'll see you guys soon. Guys, he's ready to cheat. He's ready to cheat me out of my winning. We're gonna see who can stay the longest. Okay? So guys, remember I promised you that I will show you what the inside of the chocolate looks like. So this this is how it looks. This is really nice. Oh, this is really good. Today is one of the best days for me right now, trust me, in a long while. I enjoyed myself. Enjoyed the entire day. Really good. Cheers. Cheers to all my chocolate lovers. No, I can't.
I really want to be in a competition.
Oh, I'm scared.
Just I need someone, my match.
Huh?
I'm waiting for my match. Like, whenever I go out water,
Come, we need to go and clean.